Let's build an AI voice call agent for realtors and brokerages. For this we need ChatGPT OpenAI 3.5 model. Also we need Vapi for create assistant and for automation tool make.com. Let's start with Vapi. In Vapi we create our first assistant named David. You can choose whatever you want. I select name David. After this I select appointment setter, and then we need to create our first assistant. I already did this, so I move to David. In model section I add our first message with hello, this is David, thanks for calling Dream Homes Reality. Also we need to add system prompt, and then we choose GPT 3.5 turbo cluster model. You can choose whatever model you want, and then we move to voice section. In voice section I choose 11 labs provider. You can choose whatever you want. Also we use voice of Clyde. Also we choose background sound with default on office or whatever you want. I choose default. Move to advanced section, and in advanced sections we can choose silence timeout, response delay. Also we use LLM request delay and other features. For now we move to make.com. In make.com I create a new scenario named property agent, and then I add our first webhook, which is custom webhook. In custom webhook I add property agent. Also I copy this URL and then paste here in Vapi server URL. Also I select the server URL secret key, and then the Vapi side of part is complete. After this we need to move on Postman tool. For this we add our API test key. In Postman we need to select get request for testing our API key. So I select API reference in Vapi docs and select get assistant and copy our API URL key. I paste here in Postman. Then we need to add assistant ID of David. I paste here and then I select send button, but I got an error, and that is missing authorization header. So we need to add authorization header. So we select authorization and barrier toggle. So we copy our API key. In API keys I already create of David API key. I copy this and I need to paste this here. So then again I select send button, and this time I got our response. So I copy this JSON format code, I paste here in JSON editor, and then I need to add our functions. I already create some functions, so I paste all of these at here. Here is our function code in JSON format. So again we need to add our server URL key, and that is we can copy here, select and paste here, and also we need to add server URL secret key. Then we copy all of this code and we add this in our body format. Select OK, and then we need to add content type and application JSON in custom headers. Now we create our first AI voice agent for realtors. After this we need to test this. Let's do it.
Oh, this is David. Thanks for calling Dream Homes Realty. How can I help you today?
Hi David, I want to know about some properties.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help. First things first, could I get your full name, please?
Waseem Akram.
Great, Wasim. Now, what type of property are you interested in? Do you have any specific location or budget range in mind?
I want to buy property at San Francisco, and my budget range is 100,000 to 200,000.
Well, San Francisco is quite a popular spot. Let's see what we can find in that range. Just to confirm, you're looking for a property between $100,000 to $200,000 in San Francisco, correct?
Yeah, also I want to visit the property.
Great. Let's set up a viewing for you. Just a couple more details to jot down. When would you like to schedule the property viewing?
Yeah, I want to visit at 10. I want to visit on 12th of October at 3 o'clock.
Fantastic choice. 12th of October at 3 o'clock it is. Could you tell me the address of the property you're interested in viewing?
Yeah, thank you so much, David, for this.
You're welcome. Just a sec, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the details. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us anytime. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Hit follow and subscribe button and turn on the notifications for latest update. Also, if you want to build your own, contact me.